both bhavs together. Rodra ras and Bhayanak. Two rasas together, two secondary rasas. Kamsa is going through this. Whereas in the same arena, the beautiful ladies of Mathura, when they saw the beauty of Krishna, love evoked in their heart, prem evoked in their heart to see Krishna. It's just how you proceed. Wrestlers seeing Krishna as death personified. And these beautiful girls from Mathura, they're seeing Krishna as their beloved. And what they are saying, Lavanya Saram Asmaordam Ananya Siddhim. Gopya Stavam Kim Achrid Yad Musha Rupam. Lavanya Saram Asmaordam Ananya Siddhim. Dirgvi Pivianto Anuswam Durapam. Ekant Dham Yash Shri Ashwarasya. Shri Krishna is the abode of Shri, means beauty and opulence. Is the abode of beauty and opulence. That beauty which never decline, that beauty which never stay, the beauty which always enhance more, 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 each and every second, each and every moment. Asmordam Ananya Siddhim, the essence of all luster, of splendor. How they are seeing this. So they are seeing Krishna with Anukulena, favorable mood, that loving mood, expressing their love to Krishna. And you see the smartness of Krishna. He is reciprocating with all these 10 rasas, all coming together. 12 rasas, sorry, not 10, 12 rasas in that arena. That's the smartness of Krishna. And everyone looking Krishna according to their own mood. Understand? Like Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, when we hear his glorious pastimes, wonderful pastimes, oh, he did this, he did that, uh, he established 64 centers, means the opulent part of Srila Prabhupada, the founder of Gaudiya Mutt. He established 64 centers around the India, in one country. So many followers, so much knowledgeable. Even the head of the Department of Astrology of India, he vacated his seat to hear the lecture from Srila Prabhupada. He said, oh, I'm not qualified to sit here. Please forgive me. Prabhupada said, I'm not here to count the stars and constellations. I don't want to sit on this chair. And he kept this seat vacant for Prabhupada. He never sat on that seat. So much dedication. So, there are many pastimes like that, incidents like that. That shows the opulence of Krishna. So, opulence of Srila Prabhupada. So, for acharyas, there are two perspectives to see them. One is the opulent part, another is madhurya part, sweetness. Many people just get attracted to hear his opulence. He converted so many people. And even once upon a time, one disciple of Srila Prabhupada, he performed some sins. He died and he went to Yamraj. It's in the biography of Prabhupada. Really, this happened. He went to Yamraj, the god of death. And when Yamraj asked his assistant, Chitragupta, give me his account. And he said, he did one very good job in his life, and that is he got initiation from Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. Yamraj shook and he said, immediately send him back. He's disciple of Prabhupada. That's the glories of Srila Prabhupada. Okay, you can do. Just close the door. Oh, that's the glorious. Yamaraj trembling to hear this. Disciple of Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. His name, I forgot in his biography, name is also mentioned. So this is the opulence of Srila Prabhupada. You see, changed so many people in his life. Yeah. And changed so many, established so many centers. This is the opulence of Srila Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Oh, Mahaprabhu came to him directly, Guru Parampara came to him, and Mahaprabhu ordered him, go and preach. I have no man, I have no money. We all know this, right? So this is one section, the opulence of Prabhupada. But Madhure is Vrishabhanavi Daita Das. Very dear Sakhi of Radharani. Nine Mani Manjari. That's the other part. My Guru Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Raksha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, they're writing this. I don't remember where. Maybe in my Guru Maharaj book, Art of Sadhan. I think so. The people got attracted to see the opulent part of Srila Prabhupada, which is not bad, and they get encouraged to practice. But there is another side of Prabhupada, that is sweetness. Vrishabhanavi Daita Das, the maid servant of Vishnu, very dear to Shri Rupa Manjari. So, two sides. Similarly, when Krishna entered the arena of Kamsa, 12 rasas overflowed. See how Kamsa is looking to Krishna, how wrestlers are looking to Krishna, how the Mathura ladies looking towards Krishna. Gopya stapam kim achred yadamusha rupam lavanya saram asma ordam ananya siddhim dirgvi pibyanto anuswam durapam ekant dham yash shri ashwarasya. Gopya stapam kim achred. The ladies of Mathura are saying, oh, what austerities have Gopi performed. Dirgvi pibyanto. Not in a past tense, but in a present tense. Still, they are drinking the nectar of beauty. Imagine their vision. And what is the vision of Kamsa? So, to see Acharya, everyone have their own perception to see Acharya. Oh, Gurudev have thousands of disciples. So, if say Gurudev has thousands of disciples, he's a big Acharya, then how is Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj? Only one disciple. Is he no Acharya? How about Loknath Goswami Pad? No Acharya? So this is the barometer to see Acharya is great. If he has thousands of disciples, it's again a material vision in a mental plane. Oh, Srila Prabhupada or any Acharya, I'm not just saying simply. Oh, he established 64 centers, 100 centers. Then we considered him as a great Acharya. How many centers Rupa Goswami established? How many centers Haridas Thakur established? How many centers Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj established? So is Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj less or Prabhupada is less? It's different vision to see this. Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj spoke on this point. How we see Acharya? Only by seeing his opulence? Is that's the only thing? Oh, he has so many centers or he has so many disciples, then we see him as Acharya? Dedication. Oh, it's a very important point to see. Very often. Srila Maharaj, Srila Bharati Goswami Maharaj ji, his words are full of gravity and maturity. Because he said, throughout my life, I heard from my Guru Vargas. So anyway, I was speaking something else and it came to this point. This is how our vision is like that. But Acharya's vision, they are different. Guru Maharaj, my Guru Maharaj said, we see Prabhupada as Vrishabhanavi Daita Das. One is always assisting Radharani in the pastimes with that vision. Although we count and we remember all other pastimes Prabhupada, but it's a difference. So, coming back to the point where I was, such a high sadhan, chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra is so cheap. It's so cheap. No. This Mahamantra came from spiritual world. Golokera Prema Dhan Harinama Sankirtan. Prema Dhan of Golok Vrindavan descended here as Harinam Sankirtan. Understand? And we are practicing that. Such high class sadhan. To attain what? Just Krishna. Which is even attainable by demons. I was speaking about one point I heard years back from Vaishnav from Vrindavan. Such a high sadhan, chanting Hare Krishna mantra to get Krishna. So cheap. Which is already attainable, already attained in the heart. And demons get Krishna just by killed by Krishna with unfavorable mood. So high practice, chanting Mahamantra for something high. And what is that? Not Krishna. Krishna Prema Prayojan. Chaitanya Chaitamrit Kaviraj Goswami saying. Krishna is not the Prayojan, goal of life. Krishna Prem is the Prayojan, goal of our life. Krishna Prem. And how, what is that Krishna Prem? With Anukulena Krishna Nushilanam. Bhakti Uttama. That Nirguna Bhakti, Amala Bhakti, Uttama Bhakti, Nirguna Bhakti, many names. So practice is favorable. And that formula, I'm just speaking to my audience. I'm teaching them actually from many days. So that remember that formula, the formula to judge ourselves. What's that formula? Atmindi Priti Vancha Tate Bole Kam. Krishnindi Priti Vancha Dhare Premanam. Anything done for pleasing my senses is sense gratification. Gross and subtle. Even sometimes speaking Hari Katha is also sense gratification. To show off. I know so many verses. I'm not less. I'm very knowledgeable. You don't know? I'm disciple of so and so. Oh, my Guru Maharaj. This is again Atmindi Priti Vancha. Because I want to get acknowledged. That's the point. It's a very subtle thing. Pratishtasha Drishta Shapacharamni me Hidi Natit. Shri Raghunath Das Goswami in Manashiksha. Pratishtasha Drishta. The desire for Pratishta. Shapacharamni me Hidi Natit. It's like a outcast woman. Shopachni, dog-eater woman, dancing in the heart and making us dance. And we are dancing on her tips. I'm dancing, I'm sorry, not to address anyone. Pratishta Asha Drishta, to get adoration, name and fame, etc. Katha Premna Sadhu. How then can this desire comes to hear Katha from the sadhus if this Pratishta has already captured the heart? This witch-like Pratishta already captured the heart. How can the heart become soft to hear Katha from sadhu? Not possible. Krishna indi priti vancha dhare premanam. Any endeavors, any efforts, any practices to in which we are pleasing the senses of Krishna, that's praying. And to go more detail into that, I think we don't have time because we have to stop here. Going more detail into that, then that prem is also divided into three ratis, as described by Rupa Goswami in Ujjwal Nirmani. Sadharni rati, Samanjasya rati, and Samartha rati. What to speak of our calm, our lust, etc. But even in the pastimes of Krishna, there are three kind of ratis. Sadharni rati, ordinary like love. And who developed that? Kubja from Mathura. Seeing Krishna developed lust for him. And Shukdev Goswami, indirectly in one verse, he is kind of upset for Kubja. It's not bad in one sense. It means lust for Krishna is Supreme Lord. But the point is, even after attaining Krishna, developing lust for him, fire on him. That's the mood of Shukdev Goswami. Understand? Just like chanting Mahamantra and praying, let Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Maybe today I'll get pizza. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Chanting and asking for pizza, such small thing, insignificant. This is the mood. This was the mood of Shukdev Goswami. Krishna right in front of you. And instead of loving him, asking lust, developing lust for him. But still, it is Krishna as a center, so included in that rati, sadharni rati.
So what happened to Kubja after this? And does she represent, or is she a specific potency of Krishna, something very special? Or
No,
she's supported Lord Brahma.
yes, but she developed this mood.
And so what happens after that?
No, nothing. Krishna stayed in Mathura and went to Dwarika. And we don't hear anything. So this is comparative study, Rupa Goswami Singh. Kubja and then Samanjasya Rati of Queens of Dwarika. Better than Kubja. They love Krishna, do everything for Krishna, but still, I want to please Krishna, I want to love Krishna, I want to serve Krishna, I want to please Krishna, so that I also get pleasure. That's the mood. The mood is to serve, no doubt. And they are not less. We are not minimizing. But Rupa Goswami Pad is giving a comparative study, highlighting the glories of, as I told many times, when Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada or Acharyas, they are doing comparative studies not to minimize someone, but to exhibit the glories of someone, highlight the glories of someone high. So Samanjasya Rati. Oh. Rukmani Satyabhama, Jamvati, Mitravinda, Kalindi, not less. But the mood is, by serving Krishna, I also get peace. Now comes to Samartharati, Braj Gopis, Radharani. Amongst Braj Gopis, Radharani. What is that mood? Only to please Krishna. Only to please Krishna. I'm in distress, I'm in lamentation, I'm in separation, or I'm not, or I'm in a happy mood or pleasure mood, doesn't matter. Krishna should be pleased. That's why Mahaprabhu said, Ashlishya padaratam pinashtu mam, mama darshna hatava karotu va, yatha tatha va vidhatu lampato, mat pranathastu eva napara. What's the meaning? No? Anyone? Abhimanyu? Know the meaning of this?
That I mean, this isn't a perfect translation, but even if I'm put into great distress, whether you show all of your love to me, or you crush me with your embrace, or you leave me brokenhearted by not being present before me. You are still my Prana. You are still the Lord of my life, regardless.
Yeah, I think everyone heard you. So, in any condition, I'm not asking any favorable condition for myself. Understand? Even if you give me distress, mat pranastas eva na para. Even then, you are the Lord of my life. And that's why this is unconditional love. There is no condition applied there. No condition. Radharani can give her life million of times in separation of Krishna, but she's holding that, feeling pain of separation, but holding that life. If Krishna, why? If Krishna will come to know this, he will feel pain. And because of me, he will get pain. I can't tolerate this. Very high mood. That's why this is known as Samartharati. So this is again another kind of love. So Krishna in the Pretivancha Dhare Prema Nam. Serving the senses of Krishna is prem. कृष्ण से तुम्हार कृष्ण दीते पारो तुम्हार शकति आछे, राइट? अमित कंगाल कृष्ण कृष्ण बोली धाई तब पाछे पाछे. Srila Bhakti Gyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj used to say, Krishna is yours and you can give Krishna. But everyone can give Krishna according to the proportion. Not everyone can give same Krishna. Dasya Ras can give only Krishna. How much they have received Krishna. Sakhya Ras, Vatsalya Ras, Madhu Ras can give complete Krishna. In Madhu Ras, Tatastha, Swapaksha, Vipaksha, Tatastha, Surit Paksha. Favorable, unfavorable, neutral, etc. They can give a Krishna according to their capacity. But who can give Krishna the most? Radharani. That's why everyone chants Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. Oh, everyone chants Radha Dasyam. Finish.
There's one more request. Like, maybe we can continue this.
No, we finish.
Wait for Prashad.
No. Mahaprasad ki jai, Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. So to inform all devotees, we are here in one island, and this is, there are 9 islands here, like a Navdeep, 9 islands. So our devotees gave this name to this place, Navdeep, New Navdeep. Okay, 9 islands are there. So we'll see you all tomorrow. Again, Hari Katha, 1 hour Hari Nam Japa and some little Hari Katha. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. Lord Premanande. I can see all the devotees here. I can make you see all devotees here. Hare Krishna. See Navdeep Dham. 9 islands. New Navdeep Dham. Ki Jai. Okay.
Should Martin have said about that line?